Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing into the account you want to charge. Make sure a valid payment method is active so the purchase won't fail. Once done, tap Explore or the dedicated Marketplaces tab to jump to gift cards. From there, select gift cards to see available retailers and digital or physical options. You're now in the right place to begin. This avoids backtracking and ensures your balance or card is ready before you pick a store and amount. Next, pick the exact retailer and decide whether you need a digital code or a mailed card, because delivery method changes timing and fees. Then choose a preset amount or type a custom dollar value. Note that some merchants cap amounts or add fees. After that, enter recipient details for email or SMS, double-check spelling and phone numbers, because mistakes are common and irreversible. Finally, glance at any promotions or promo code fields and apply them before you move to the payment screen. To finish, choose the payment method, then confirm the purchase and authenticate using your device PIN, fingerprint, or Google Pay security flow. This prevents accidental charges. Once bought, you'll receive a confirmation and the digital code by email or SMS. Copy or screenshot the code for safekeeping and redeem instructions. If you don't get a code within a few minutes, check spam folders, review your Google Pay transaction history for status, and contact the retailer's support with your order ID if needed to resolve delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.